Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to show you how to change both the engine air filter and the cabin air filter in your Toyota Tacoma. This is a simple process that you can do at home with just a few tools. In my case, I don't need any tool, saving you time and money. Plus, we'll explain why this regular maintenance is crucial for your car's health and performance. Alright, let's start with the engine filter. Locate the air filter box, which is right here. Use your hand to remove those clips that holding the cover in place. For engine air filter, I'm using Wix brand. Big shout out to the project farm channel. I will put the link on the description box. And also for cabin air filter, definitely check out Nate's Interactive Auto. Both of them did a really good job on their review. Once the cover is off, take out the old air filter. As you can see, this one is pretty dirty. A clogged air filter can reduce your engine's performance and fuel efficiency. Now grab new air filter and place it in the box, making sure it's seated properly. Replace the cover and secure it with those clips. Now let's talk about why regularly changing your air filters is so important. First, a clean engine air filter ensures that your engine gets the proper airflow it needs for sufficient combustion. This means feels better fuel efficiency, more power, and reduce emissions. A dirty air filter restricts airflow, making your engine work harder, which can lead to decreased performance and high fuel consumption. In extreme cases, it can even cause engine damage. Next up is the cabin air filter. This one's located behind the glove compartment. Open the glove compartment and you will need to release the stops. In my case, pull it upward and pull it down. It will open the cover. Then you will need to release the stops on either side to open the component bracket for the air filter. Then you will see the cabin air filter housing.
open this up.
Take out the old filter. Just like the engine air filter, a dirty cabin air filter can affect your air quality and HVAC performance. Place the new filter into the housing. Making sure the airflow, in my case I'm using the lips and its direction going downward as I'm pointing the right way.
I'm gonna slide it in. It's going all the way.
Replace the cover and put the glove compartment back in reverse order. As for the cabin air filter, it keeps air inside your car clean by trapping dust, pollen, and other contaminants. A clean cabin air filter improves the air quality inside your vehicle, which is especially important if you have allergies or respiratory issues. And that's it. You have successfully changed both your engine and cabin air filters. You know why it's important to keep them clean. Regular maintenance like this can make a big difference in your vehicle's performance and your comfort. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. More DIY tips and tricks. See you in the next video.